Today we're going to make some strawberry rhubarb chia jam that's low in sugar and absolutely delicious. First up, harvest the rhubarb from the garden. Reach for the stalks low to the plant's base. Rip off the leaves and compost the leaves, which are poisonous, and just keep the stalks. If you're buying it in the grocery store, the stalks come by themselves, and you'll notice varieties of rhubarb are sometimes pink or reddish in color. This one stays green the whole time. The next step is to slice up those strawberries. Take the cup slicer, hop from pile to pile. The fresh strawberries have already been washed and are ready for cutting. The cup slicer is a must have for kitchens, especially for kids and older folks that struggle with holding a knife. These are fantastic for all your soft fruits. Now we're going to slice up the rhubarb, just trim off the ends. Again, this has been washed already. You're going to slice it into 1/2 inch slices so that it can cook down nicely. Rhubarb is super tart and usually has lots of sugar in it. So this is a low sugar option that'll be sweetened just with the strawberries and a bit of maple syrup. You're going to love this. We'll add the fresh strawberries and the rhubarb to the 4-quart saucepan. I'll add a little bit of lemon juice and a bit of salt, and we'll let this cook down on medium heat until it's reduced and very soft. So here's what it looks like. It's becoming very saucy. And now it's time to add the chia seeds and a little bit of pure Vermont maple syrup. Again, it's super low sugar and everything will thicken with the help of those chia seeds. Here's a PS for you. One way that I love to enjoy jam is on homemade vanilla yogurt. So I've got some of that rhubarb jam. Just take a spoonful, add it to the top, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Strawberry rhubarb is sweet, tart, and wonderful. I hope you'll try it out. Thank you so much for supporting my home-based business. I hope you'll give this jam a try.